Hey, how's everybody doing out there? This is Trisha here, just shouting out and saying hello. So I had some thoughts, and I was thinking that just to help out the community and to get awareness out on questions that are asked of me and asked I see online. People reach out to me in my DMs and on my YouTube channel, and they are asking several questions. So I thought about it and I said, you know what? Let me make some posts. It'll be short posts for about 30 days, just answering some questions that may have come through to me and just to help the community out with making decisions on home care. So my business is Devoted Healthcare Consultants, and I assist women with starting home care agencies. And I'm thinking of focusing more in on CNAs, and CNAs are certified nursing assistants. Also, close to that is also the HHA, which is a home health assistant, home care assistant. Oh, wait a minute. Make sure me get it right now. Is a home health aide. And also you have the PCA, so patient care tech, PCA also. So I am just going to answer some questions and want to reach out to that community mostly and just encourage them and let them know that it is not always that you have to work a job. Especially if you've been doing CNA work for a long time, you can do it for yourself. So, you just have to have the knowledge, which you mostly know how to do the job, but you don't know how to do it as a business for yourself. And you can make your own money, start your own business, and have your own clients and see them and get paid for it, and they pay you directly instead of going through an employer to get your funds. You can do it through your own agency. So what I plan to do is answer questions that have come across my YouTube channel. And my YouTube channel is Trisha, Tricia, Thomas, Thomas, RN. You'll find me there. I have helpful tips on how to start a non-medical home care agency. There's several videos, and I plan to make some more. I know I've been incognito for a little bit, but I'm here again, and just wanted to reach out and let you guys know that I'll be posting short videos for the next 30 days, just answering some questions, like I said, in the community. So stay tuned. Thank you. Take care now.